What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about the D2T token or Dash2TRADE, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the D2T token, which is the main token of the Dash2TRADE platform, which is supposed to be, I'm not sure if it's actually online yet. I don't think so, but it's yeah, no, the dashboard full beta launches in 84 days. It's basically a trading platform, has a lot of features which allow you to well, improve your trading. Supposedly, who am I to judge, but that's basically what it does. Had its pre-sale not too long ago. I think it ended like a couple of days ago. It ended the 11th, so it's been out like for 4 or 5 days. Has been listed on Gate.io, LBank and Bitmart since then. It's been a, well, not a great launch, okay? If you take a look at where we started at 4 cents. We have ever since dropped down to around 2 cents, which is where we are right now. I made videos on Dash2TRADE. I think it's a great project if they actually deliver on the beta. It does really depend on how the product is, to be honest, how valuable a D2T will be. But I think the idea is promising. I don't think there's any project that does it better right now. So with that, I think D2T has some potential as well. But it's a bear market. Token launches aren't great, and D2T's token launch hasn't been great either. Let's just be realistic. But it's not been great. But that doesn't mean that it's not going to be great in the future. In my opinion, it still has potential, and that really is my honest opinion. But then if we take a look at the technicals, because that is obviously one of the big reasons you're here as well, what you can see is that there was this spike the 15th, yesterday it was, because this is actually the 15-minute time frame, which I chose just because we don't have a lot of price action. Yesterday we had a big spike, and ever since we have been in an uptrend. I mean, you can see we can use this trend line. I think that's a little bit less reliable. But if you take a look at this trend line, for example, I don't like to use trend lines in this way too much, but you can definitely see that we've been in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. So I think we can actually continue that. I mean, it all depends on whether we can hold our support levels. So for example, right now, 1.9 cents is our support level. And it's good to know that if that breaks, we will drop back down to 1.7 and 1.65, and then what I think is going to happen will not happen anymore. All right, so it's good to know that, but I think it's more likely that given the technical bullish momentum we have right now, and also the bullish momentum we have in the market, I think it's more likely that we will be able to continue this uptrend up to our next resistance level, which is this level right here. Around 2.1 cents, that's a technical level as you can see, but you also got that 382 FIB there. And I even think, but this does kind of depend on Bitcoin and therefore the market. I even think that Bitcoin can actually challenge 21,000 again, and I think Bitcoin can get above 21,000 again. And with that, I think that's enough bullish momentum in the market to also supply a move to at least this next level at 2.3 and 2.4 cents. For D2T or for Dash2TRADE. So that's what I'm expecting. It might still take some time. I mean, it might still take 2-3 days, but I think we can at least continue this bullish momentum we have right now and this uptrend we have right now up to 2.3 and 2.4. Now that's quite a significant resistance level. So from there, I'll have to make an update. We could break it, but I think initially we will at least find resistance there. Giving me enough time to do an update on whether I think we can break it and get up to 2.5 and 2.75 cents and just, yeah, an update on the analysis. But this is my take on D2T for today. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care